For rule number 3, we see the sequence of two consonants, but this time the sequence is not a cluster or a blend like we saw in rule number 2. So for rule number 3, I have here a word with two consonants that do not form one of the clusters. As always, you're going to want to label consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and then analyze the information between the first vowel and the second vowel, leaving any consonants simply hanging. Then I want to analyze these two. I have to determine, is that a cluster? No, it's not. Therefore, I'm not going, even though that's an L, remember it's only with certain consonants that forms a cluster. So this is rule number 3. When I have two consonants in a row and it does not form a cluster, it gets divided right down the middle. And therefore, when I rewrite the word and that's syllabified, I write it like that. My other example that I have is football. I can color code here. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. Now with red, I'm going to find my first vowel, go to my last vowel, and then determine here, step number 3, do those two consonants form a cluster? T and L. No, they don't. So I am going to divide it right down there. The consonant at the beginning of that vowel simply gets attached to it, and that consonant down here gets attached to the last one. So they're just considered hanging consonants, and you just attach it to the vowel when you syllabify. Make sure you use the brackets to indicate that you are now transcribing. The last word that I have there in your notes is congelar. Labeling them consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's use different colors here. Then I'm going to find my first vowel, go to my next vowel, and determine what type of, this is my either rule number 2 or number 3. I have an N and a G. That does not form a cluster, so this is rule number 3. Next one, vowel to vowel here. This is our rule number 1 because you only have one consonant there. Everything else just hangs at the edge of the vowels. And I simply rewrite it with the divisions that I have. And I have here the transcribed word.